So today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Neapolitan pizza dough in a stand-up mixer, KitchenAid. Takes less than 5 minutes. 4 ingredients to make a Neapolitan pizza. You want to use a double lot flour, and not only having a type 000 flour is important, but also the W rating. The W rating is the amount of protein and gluten in the flour. Should be around 300, give or take a little, to make a good dough. So we start with 1 kilo of flour. I pre-measured 20 grams of Himalayan sea salt, about 1.5 grams of fresh yeast, and 600 milliliters of water, which should be room temperature. So we're going to start with the water. Put the water in your bowl. About 20 grams of salt. You want to dissolve the salt. Then we're going to add some flour, maybe about 15% of the flour, just to so the salt gets mixed in. It's a little bit of a creamy mix. We're going to add our yeast right to that mix. Just put it right in. The yeast is totally dissolved. And that's it. Next we're going to add maybe half the bag of flour. We're going to put that in our mixer. And we're going to start that on a low speed. Now we're going to add the rest of the flour. You can add it pretty much all at once. Different than when you're doing it on a board. And that's about it. We're going to let the machine do the rest of the work. Let that knead until you know when it's ready. There you have perfect dough ball. Just put this on the board. I'm gonna put this in a bowl with a damp towel over it. We're gonna let this sit for 2 hours to raise. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours since we let our dough rise here. So we're gonna see what it looks like, and pretty much it doubled in size, as you can see. So what we're gonna do is now just push it down. Take the dough out. Now we have a nice, beautiful, soft dough, as you can see. And we're ready to make it into some nice dough balls. For a perfect Neapolitan pizza, about 260 to 270 grams per ball, and you should get 6 dough balls out of this. So we're gonna cut it into 62 pieces. We're gonna weigh them into about, like I said, about 265 grams. Then I'm gonna put them in, make my individual dough balls, and put them in a pan. Then we have about 270. We're gonna take this and make a ball, so you wanna keep tucking it under. You wanna take it and then pinch the bottom. Pinch this and kind of twist it. Make a nice dough ball. I'm gonna just put a little bit of olive oil on this. And we're gonna store them in this pan. Oil them all up. You can see it, as you see it, nice. It springs back. We have our 6 dough balls. We're going to seal them in a pan, and we'll put these in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. Before we're ready to use them, we're going to want to take them out and let them sit out for at least 2 hours. They'll re-raise, and then they'll be ready to make our pizza.